Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make vegan chili in the Instant Pot. This chili uses dried beans and it's really easy to make. Here are the ingredients you'll be using. I'll put the measurements in the description. So you'll need 2/3 cups of dried kidney beans, dried navy beans, and dried black beans. 1/3 cup of dried red lentils, 1 1/2 bell pepper, 3 celery stalks, 1 cup of corn, 2 tablespoons of crushed garlic, 1 tablespoon of Better Than Bouillon, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, and 1 tablespoon of cumin, 3 cups of crushed tomatoes, 1 1/2 onion, 1/2 cup of uncooked quinoa, and 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. So go ahead and chop your celery and your bell pepper. And your onion. So now you can rinse your beans and lentils. Okay, now you're ready to add some ingredients. So to your Instant Pot, add 3 cups of water, your garlic, Better Than Bouillon, half the amount of onion, the tomatoes, the beans and lentils, half the amount of pepper, tomato paste, and the chili powder and cumin. Give that a really good stir. So you're going to put your Instant Pot on manual, high pressure for 33 minutes. Make sure the pressure is sealed. While you're waiting for the Instant Pot, cook your quinoa.
15 minutes later.
When the 33 minutes is up, let the pressure release naturally for 15 minutes, so don't touch your Instant Pot. Then you can release any extra pressure. Put your Instant Pot on the keep warm cycle and open it. Now add in the rest of your veggies, your onion, pepper, celery, corn, and your quinoa. Now stir that really well to soften your veggies. This is what your chili should look like. Wasn't that easy with the Instant Pot? I hope you'll give this recipe a try. Thanks so much for watching.